بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, most merciful. My Muslim brothers, whoever they wants to spread Islam, everywhere in the world, worldwide or global wide. So take my some challenging, answers. How to beat the Christians. Today, I want to say they don't have God, but they want to say in new tricks. This is the new trick. God in film. God on film. So in the churches, they make Jesus movie, and they says he came in this earth, and he give to message he's a God. Like. Only the words, whoever they believe Christianity, they use this. But you can go according to Bible. He never claim. He never says, I'm the God or I'm a powerful. He says, my Lord and your Lord. Whenever he spoke with the Jewish, his time in Israel, he says, my Lord and your Lord. So they want to be say, Jesus, Superman, man of steel like. If you go in the Bible also, previous books we have this same prayer, Davidic. Bismillah. وَقُلْ رَبِّي أَدْخُلْنِي مُدْخِلَ صِدِّيقِ وَخَرْجَنِي مُخْرِجَ صِدِّيقِ وَجَعَلْنِي مِنَ دُونِكَ سُلْطَانًا نَصِيرًا. This is Bani Israel Surah chapter, I think 163, or you can find inside. وَقُلْ رَبِّي أَدْخُلْنِي مُدْخِلَ صِدِّيقِ وَخَرْجَنِي مُخْرِجَ صِدِّيقِ وَجَعَلْنِي مِنَ دُونِكَ سُلْطَانًا نَصِيرًا. Same in the Bible also translation have for Davidic. If you go in the whole world, but New York record or USA record, they give to in the paper, Davidic, spread in America so fast in 20 years, and many people dying. They says they according to day 90 minutes after one person die, because he have Davidic. They not say which group, part 1 or part 2. Type of 2 is so big in everywhere in the world. Even in India, 464 million people have Davidic, and they not take serious. But I can give it to whoever they wants to be control Davidic. I have Davidic after my Hajj 1998, and 16 years I'm suffer Davidic. But everything I eat, I never stop meat or chicken or rice, even sometimes I eat white wheat also. Only decoction, whoever the legs, maybe they think they cut, because in the hospitals in America they're showing many people have diabetes and they're cutting legs, because legs going swelling like, legs going not working like. So drink dark tea every 2 hours 3 hours later, and every day 45 minutes walk. You no need to be stopped. When you going on the streets, just walk, continue. Don't take rest between 45 minutes. Continue, and little bit fast like, not slow when you walking. So 45 minutes enough every day. This is the exercise. Other one is our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. He is a doctor, he is a scientist, he is a astrologer, he is a magician, he is a everything, whatever the qualities in all departments, all professions, all designations, all characters, whoever they have character, they all in only one in Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. He is the prophet. He is you can't understand, you can't imagine that kind of personality he is. God gave to him such a big powerful personality, because every prophet have power 60%. So my prophet says eat vegetables. This is the very good for diabetic, whoever they have. Spanish, spinach, or broccoli, or some other green vegetables. Every day take it, and you no need to be worried for your diabetic. Just read Surah Yasin and Surah Rahman and pray. Okay. So the guys, this is Man of Steel, Superman. What kind of this is only imagination. They're making fool. Americans, they don't have any God. That's why they have fake book, and they says Man of Steel, he can help poor people. This for child, he happy to listen this story. When he wants to be sleep, he need like this. But the reality is different. Every single second person dying in the world today because of diabetes. In India, every single second person dying because of diabetes. So my brothers, whoever, you no need to be worried for your diabetes. My Muslim brothers, Allah tests you. That's why Allah sent in this earth. He tests us, and if the worst person, he give punishments. So in the world today, everywhere you can go in America, you can't see, you can't think, this kind of, they're cheating each other. Every dirty stories you can see in New York or in big cities in America. They don't have God. They don't have God. That's why they're doing. And they're thinking man is, powerful. Like man, when Jesus was in this earth, he sleep. Who take care? When he's in the graveyard, they're thinking 3 days. Who take care of world? When they say crucified and they kill, so he don't have power. Like stupid Christians, they stuck our religion, Islam. Otherwise, if they think he is only prophet, we can go together, and we can give message for other religions. Jesus was not. People don't know 10,000 years. People don't know 50,000 years ago, 20,000 years ago. People don't know idols worshipper time. You can go in the whole world. You can see only idols in the world. This is the sign for before the Jesus. You can understand Jesus sign is never. You can't see any place. Even in the books also. Before the Zohar, Christian don't know that book. Honestly, I'm telling you. They never mention in the Bible. Only the Torah, Psalm stories they have, and Injil, Jesus book. But they don't know Zohar time. This you can catch these guys. Abraham face, we say our belief is Abraham. 3 religions. One is Islam, belief is Ibrahim religion, and we say this is Ibrahim religion. But the Jew and Christian says he is our father. So 3 beliefs Abraham, but the question is who's going in the heaven? So Allah challenge only Muslim, and Jew and Christian going in the hell. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.